Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, we're going to talk about checking your list, not once, but twice, because 'tis the season. So we're actually going to be looking at Excel and just doing something really simple that can save you so much time when you're trying to look at large reports or compare different parts of data. So if you have a bunch of rows in Excel, and you want to hide some of those rows, to do that, you're going to select the rows on the left-hand side that you wish to hide, right-click, and then click Hide. And then those rows will disappear. If you want to unhide those rows, you simply select all of those rows again, and then right-click and click Unhide. It's super easy, and I hope this makes reviewing data or whatever type of work you're doing in Excel that much easier. I hope you guys all have a wonderful holiday season, and for more Mondays with Megan, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. For any questions, head to the EasyIT website or reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Happy holidays!